Hi, this is Rob Packard from Medical Device Academy. I'm announcing the second annual Amsterdam 510K workshop. Last year's workshop was 2 days in October. This year's is 4 days, October 8th through 11th. In addition to more days, we have more speakers. Each day is divided up into special topics where we're trying to have that day have a theme, so if you're only interested in certain days, you don't have to attend all of them. For instance, day 1, we're going to focus on biocompatibility and microbiology. Nelson Labs will be providing additional speakers, so we'll focus on those topics day 1. The second day, we're going to be covering more of the 510K process in general. We're going to also talk about quality system requirements for the FDA and how to register your product once you have a 510K. On the third day, we're going to focus on electromedical and software devices. So software as a medical device, mobile software validation. We're going to have matrix medical requirements talk about that again. We'll also have a new speaker that'll be focusing on cybersecurity requirements. Leo Eisner will be back talking about 6601 updates for electrical safety. And we also have a new speaker from York EMC that will focus on the requirements for 4th edition EMC standard that are required as of January 1st, both in Europe and in the US. And then on the 4th and final day, we're going to have a new speaker. Eric Volberg is going to be talking. He'll be talking about the new European medical device regulations. Now, yes, this is a 510K workshop, but one of the things you're going to find is with the new European requirements, it's much harder to get a CE mark for your device than it is to get a 510K. So we're going to see a shift in the industry, people trying to get cleared in the US first and grabbing their clinical data in the US through post-market clinical follow-up and then using that data for the European submissions. So we're going to be focusing on clinical studies, post-market surveillance, post-market clinical follow-up, as well as updates and preparing for the new EMDR. So it's a pretty full agenda. If you're only able to come for 1, 2, or 3 of the days, you can purchase each day individually, $500 per day, or the entire event for $2,000. We're looking forward to seeing you there, and please visit our website because we'll have a new agenda, details about each of the speakers and the times they'll be speaking, and if you have any questions, please email. See you soon. Bye-bye.